grilled corn today. It's great as a simple breakfast or snack.
With this method, corn is not only delicious but also easy to eat. Even ladies can enjoy it elegantly. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. The ingredient list is short and sweet. All you need is corn. That's it. Twirl your scissors around the corn cob. This easily separates the kernels, giving you a beautiful sheet of corn. Seasoning. To cubes batter, 1 teaspoon pepper salt, 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning powder. Melt the butter and brush it on the corn before roasting. For a shortcut, place the butter and seasonings directly on the parchment paper to melt. You can use a microwave or air fry for about a minute until the butter melts. Mix well, then brush it directly onto the corn. Make sure to coat both sides evenly. Air fry the corn at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes, and it's done. If you want it more flavorful, you can brush on another layer of seasoning during roasting. The grilled corn is ready. Enjoy your meal. This Cajun butter grilled corn starts with a rich and enticing aroma of melted butter, followed by the distinctive mild heat from Cajun pepper. A sprinkle of sea salt perfectly enhances the corn's natural sweetness, and after grilling, all the flavors blend together beautifully, creating a wonderfully complex and delicious taste. First, corn is rich in dietary fiber, which effectively aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. At the same time, it contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect our health, particularly by filtering harmful blue light. Corn is also an excellent source of energy. Its carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, keeping us energized for a long time. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether steamed, grilled, or used in salads, it can easily be incorporated into our daily meals. Lastly, the various vitamins and antioxidants in corn also help delay the aging process, nourishing the body from the inside out. The vitamin E and carotenoids in corn are powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, which cause skin aging. The natural oils and nutrients in corn germ help strengthen the skin's barrier, locking in moisture for better hydration. The vitamin C it contains supports collagen production, which is key to maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. Corn extract, often used in skincare, has soothing properties that can help reduce skin irritation and redness. When it comes to foods that shouldn't be paired with corn, first, be cautious with sweet potatoes as eating them together can easily cause bloating. Also avoid eating it with conch due to potential food poisoning risk. Having it with oysters can hinder your body's absorption of zinc. Finally, be careful with fruits like persimmons, as consuming them together may lead to stomach discomfort. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.